my thing says have the wrong tongue and you understand me, right? Explain my medical condition in alien language. You heard my fucking explanation. You understand my problem. You see my explanation myself. You can diagnose that language, right? Diagnosing myself. You know what my problem is. You see my other videos. Has a doctor's diagnosis of myself in the alien language, right? Figure out my doctor's diagnosis of myself. Change about my stomach colitis, you want to hear me alien diagnosis of myself? You want to tell me I'm German? Tell me I'm not my own doctor. Y'all dare you tell me I'm not a smart person about my own. No thing about my own body. Yeah. You can't be that smart about my own body. You can't diagnose my body as a thing when you so badly with it. Tell you, I tell you, me better than me. You know Latin. Fuck you, I wanna do alien bitches. I'm better than you. They got the book in the name. I know that dude. I'm gonna take the deep. Like, misquote me already. She's like, out of chaos, many things improve as me. No, I thought many one. Out of chaos, many my little my mouth, but I thought I made up. You cackle. What was it? Ordo. Out of chaos, ordo. This was the thought, man. Out of chaos, ordo. No, it's kind of like still like chaos. I think I'll be. It's kind of like chaos. And I say that word to me. Pluribus and there's a chaos gecko in Latin. I want a character so bad. Yeah, chaos order. Gecko, the order. Gecko, the order. Or something. Order. Gecko order. Caco order is what I said to her. I had it on right the first time. She said, yeah. No, pluribus junior means that. No, maybe one. Maybe one actually. Maybe one. Maybe one. Yeah, we have many things. I mean, one solid thing out of it. We are united in one strength. We all decided to go everywhere. Well, I want to skip on the show you some information I have the high side for you. You know, from the gym and shit. Jesus quit. Go so fucking penguin. I play with it all the time. You know what I mean? Yeah, like all in the corner. Take my fucking desk. You know, my door up, got it away. Change my desk inside. We are all of our victims. Change my desk inside. Next time I come over to the house, open the cover, the door. What's in this cover? Protection is sacred. Can't provide. It's a public wall. Like one public street. I close the door in my garage, made my own domains. My own little private channel. I got walls on the wall. I have a house room. This wall not allowed to be taken out ever. In the United States. Some international denarius warriors, massive delivery reason to this. Housing here, be nice living in this house. This is very just profound copyright on this wall. If they want to respect this. You know, that's how you put it right law in your country. Good example, mankind. Take these walls and got magical fixes on the hell will last longer than the wall. But at some point, someone had to move them to like some glass case to put them in museums, like everybody can look at them in their anxiety. Like how they can like how to handle it. And that's just gonna get my psychic energy involved with the magic. How to handle it, open and close it. And you're natural like that. So you wear it down naturally. So it actually breaks something. You know what? It was natural. Don't worry about that shit. You're not getting shocked over it. Or change or like maze or anything like that. But like, somebody's like trying to like take this apart. I feel like, you know what I'm saying, whatever weapon or like non-lethal like use that they're like, they really want to use on somebody. And they feel that is on themselves or like whatever fucking use they do in the ball. Like, they can tell something apart, tell the story, not unstorable, automatic protection. It's killing you, you're more like tagging you, supposed to do that. But there's a very probably thing where like I like that. Some magical power and tagging you, you know what, and make it really real. Especially if I have to mathematically well. Right down. So it's missing the unknown. So, please just like that now. Help with it. It's my only video cry out for help. This journey is. I need to record. Need to record for my government. Answers any questions. The questions to do with all of my rights. My human rights physically. I really am my own doctor. I get evidence as such. It's not going to be a thing at trial. Can I be my own doctor? I need no fucking imagine you right now. Okay? My lungs are falling apart. I need to do something to improve my respiration. I need some answers right now from my government for my lungs fall apart. Please, real quick. I want to answer real quick. Please, government, help me with my answer. My lungs are more important to me. So my habits. Let me have healthier ones than this. Specifically, even though this is a mix of two herbs. One, a roast weed, more like a fresh pot herb or a bag of that stuff. Special magnificence with this herb. Get my clearest questions. With the bowl. Well, I stopped the tape. Drop the mic. Put the shit up. Turn the bowl around and at the bottom. Alright. Let's see my pain. I'm struggling holding in. Struggle. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. You know, it helps me having silence with my ears. Be able to meditate. The sound of Yahweh in my mind. The sound of the yellows in my mind. Angels in my mind. You know, I had Yahweh in my mind. I'm trying in addition. Every time I started, I needed to power Yahweh in my mind thoroughly. There's plenty of empowerment. And they add that to my mind with sound addition. And just setting up my body rhythm. You're flowing rhythm like this. You never seen me do this before. This is like flowing a circle like this. You know, how thoroughly and deeply your psychic trance with the demonic energy you want to see them ever go. Watching this stirring revolt, righteousness, and then tip themselves in demonicness. Like, you want to see something really holy and something that you really just admire. Do you want to see like one extreme and the other, like, sort of kind of in a sort of way it's not as magnificent as like the ultimate extreme and the ultimate extreme, like the ultimate, like, oh, and the ultimate, I had to see something like that. You know, that's it, sure. You know, see something close like it. That's why she could freak the fuck out, bro. You want to hear me? Alright. I've heard a couple times. Pretty painful and then, you know. Just, yeah, I'm so competitive, bro. Yeah, but straight above heaven. Look, that's the difference. Oh, you have an approach, sir. Maybe you deserve help in this approach, but we just want to give you like a Nobel Prize instead. Because that's like really complicated. How you get all those things. I mean, you put how you do it and you play real well. It's like the process. Nobel Prize. I'm not ready to do it. What you mean that Bowie bars is possible at all. It's gonna make a soul of the problem in your mind. You will sit a brick of little gold. Possibly if someone does that shit. It comes out in like gold pennies. Dude, you get tired of shitting out gold pennies. You try to shit out break. And like, try to shit break and kill them. Just try to go too far. Be careful, give it your time. Don't you ever try to shit break. You can't be doing it, kills you. Nobody tries, dog. Only shit the bread, cost me life. And that bring it on. And when air, building, cars. You touch that bread. Someday somebody's successful you. You can't do it though. You ain't trying to shit that bread. Of gold. You feel human. You gotta pay that gold road around. What you recycle community to the point with all these bitches. You see, you're president if you want. Who wants to be a president? Who wants to be a president? Who wants to be Hey, what the fuck you? Hey, what the fuck you so good? Yes, hey, what the fuck you? Hey, what the fuck you with therapy rooms? You know, like temptation hell, you can be stuck in, like, really get you real. And like, make you feel hard shit. Like, guess what you're playing? You're playing, like, oh, no, dude, you just, oh, no, dude, sometimes, you don't, I'm like, oh, come back. You must be real bad, you must be sexy as fuck, you must,